Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N. Start by setting up your Meta app and OAuth credentials. Go to the Meta for Developers dashboard, create a new app, select Other as the use case and Business as the app type, then provide an app name and contact email. Add the Facebook login for business product to your app, and N8N, go to Credentials, add Facebook lead ads, and copy the OAuth redirect URL it generates. Back in your Meta app settings, navigate to Client OAuth settings and add the URL under valid OAuth redirect URIs. Then copy your app ID and app secret from Meta into N8N as a client ID and client secret. To use the app beyond development, enter a privacy, access, or policy URL, switch your app from developer to live, request advanced access for public profile and app review, and complete business verification. Finally, configure the Facebook lead ads trigger node and N8N by selecting your credentials, choosing the Facebook page and lead form to monitor, and activate your workflow or keep it disabled if testing with the staging webhook URL. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.